Zelle gift cards are a convenient way to send money to friends and family. Follow these steps to effectively use Zelle gift cards in 2025. Step 1. Obtain a Zelle gift card. Purchase a Zelle gift card from a participating retailer or online platform. Ensure that the card is valid and has not been tampered with. Step 2. Activate the gift card. Follow the instructions provided with the gift card to activate it. This usually involves entering a code online or calling a customer service number. Step 3. Link your Zelle account. If you haven't already, create a Zelle account through your bank's app or website. Link your bank account to Zelle to facilitate transactions. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. Log into your Zelle account and navigate to the section for redeeming gift cards. Enter the gift card number and any required details to add the funds to your Zelle balance. Step 5. Send money using Zelle. Once the funds are available in your Zelle account, you can send money to others by entering their email address or phone number. Confirm the amount and complete the transaction. Using Zelle gift cards is a straightforward process that allows for easy money transfers. Enjoy the convenience of sending funds to your loved ones.